I know what you're thinking. Dave, where have you been? There was the numbers. 5% swinging, spying. What is up with that mustache, dude? Oh my god. Oh man, yo. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. What a day in the markets. Oh my goodness. What actually happened? It's a SPY up 2.64%. SPX, everything is super duper green. And it's kind of what we last discussed in a way, but kind of not. So we'll discuss the intricacies of what's going on in the chart and what we're looking for as a result of the action that has occurred. So if you are enjoying this content, you've been watching, make sure you drop a like on the video, share it with your loved ones who are interested in the stock market and technical analysis. And watch until the very end, and maybe I'll have a surprise, but I can't tell because I do it all live and I don't edit it. So maybe it won't be that exciting. Let's get into the chart. So when I said that it's kind of what we said, but kind of not, it's because going into this Fed meeting, what we were talking about happening on the chart was we had this consolidation. I know we have a lot of lines going on here, so let me just let me dumb the chart down a little bit so that it's a little bit easier to consume. We're gonna put we're gonna put this level here. Okay, we're gonna remove this one for now, and we are going to zoom on in. All right, so look at the orange lines that are running horizontally here. We were range bound here until the Fed meeting, and what we were saying was we saw this as an accumulative structure, and the most likely scenario was that we were going to hold 3,600 as support and eventually be breaking up and out of this range. And I did say that if it breaks below 3,600 and then holds below 3,600, meaning that on higher time frames it has a retest and a failure of that level, then it's very bearish, and that you're going to go back down and you're going to test this long-term support trend, this green trend that we've been watching for damn near a year now. And so I was not I'll be honest. I was not expecting this outcome. I did not think that what was going to happen was we were going to break down into 3,500 and then immediately spring back up and through this $3,600 level. I do believe that that's what occurred, is that this was a spring out of this accumulation range, okay? So this is a bullish moment in this chart, in my opinion. This is indicative of a change in behavior in the market. This makes this entire structure now look accumulative, in my opinion, okay? What you have here is a sell climax type event. You have an automatic reaction, a sell test in phase B, a phase B distribution that we were watching through the midline, and now you have this last point of support / spring structure that has occurred here, okay? And now you've had a sign of strength out of this more localized accumulation range. Okay, we're going to undo that. We'll undo all of these little drawings. And so what are we expecting? Simba just unplugged my camera. Okay, I think we're okay. Thank you, Simba. What are we expecting next? I personally, Simba is ruining the YouTube video from a camera perspective, at least. Sorry about that. Leave my mouse alone. Simba, leave me alone. I'm sorry. What are we expecting next? I will say that what I'm looking for next is a rejection off of this red trend line. We're going to change the color of it to something that's not already in the chart. Sorry for the amount of lines. This solid pink line that we have here. Pink is bad. Let's do orange. Too much orange. Yellow. Okay, we're going to do the solid yellow. You guys know what line I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm expecting a rejection off of this trend line here, and we are going to be drawing a Fibonacci off of this range here to determine where that retracement would happen. Simba is killing me right now. What I am expecting to occur is a pullback to probably this golden range, okay? So you're going to see a distribution type event occur, and then you're going to likely round out, have some sort of accumulative structure happen here, and then you're going to retest this trend at a later date, okay? I think it is less likely, not impossible, that you're just going to come out of this structure here and break right through. I think that's rather unlikely compared to bulls getting trapped here, and then ultimately bears getting trapped in the long term. I am relatively bullish at this. I mean, it's pretty hard to see this sort of volume come in for bulls when you haven't seen volume to either side, really. Definitely not to this level, this extreme, this level of volatility occur. Now, in the short term, we're bearish for a reaccumulation type move. And if you break through down past this 35.61 and then you fail a retest, right, of this level, and then you break down for a lower low, then we're back into going to the green line type of scenario. So let's make that red, so you know that's that sort of scenario. And then maybe we'll change the color of this one to something that's a little bit more neutral. Well, I guess we can just do the yellow there. And then, here, once you reclaim this, then this is a more bullish thing, and then we're going to see what happens when we get to the midline, right? So I'm not here to say that the bear market is over or whatever. I am here to say, however, that this does appear to make this local structure that we have appear accumulative. And then once we break this key downtrend, then you have a relatively good market structure here for a move through this midline, which is something that we had discussed, that we thought that it was possible that you could make a test. Sorry, I'm looking for, okay. It was possible that when you were in this distribution structure that you could break this midline. And if you're unfamiliar, let me remove some noise here. This purple kind of mid resistance structure that's been, what the fuck just happened to this trend line? Oh my, what the yo, why did they, the white line with the purple surrounding it, TradingView. We knew that it was unlikely that we were going to break through this structure on this move. We knew that the momentum wasn't there. But after this explosive reaction down here, you're gonna have the fuel, and you really don't need much volume until you get to this midline. Then you're gonna want to see what volume is doing, and if you break through this and you see that volume kick up for bulls, you see more green, big green volume bars like this, you're sending it, dude. You're gonna futures is most likely after that to just rally straight up to 41.50 ish zone. I am removing this trend line, and I'm thinking about removing my computer and throwing it through the wall because of this. Okay. It's very frustrating. Just pretend like the white line's there. Okay. But yeah, so I mean, this is the type of move here, guys, where you could have that potential for a breakthrough, a really significant downtrend like this. That's what this is the type of reaction that you're looking for. Now, again, you break to lower lows, you fail retests, you're bearish. You're going back down to the green trend. But I will say that today was a big day. Today is the type of day that you could make the case is the type of trend shift, momentum shift that reverses this bearish trend that you're in, at least in the relative short term. And we'll see what happens when you get back up to the big downtrend that you have up here in red that you've failed 3 times. That's the major macro thing that you're going to have to do. But overall, I'm pretty excited. About this. I think it's really fun to watch happen in real time. Follow along with you guys here on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, you could see some more consolidation, sideways action. But I think tomorrow you break back down here. You probably retest your 3,600-ish range. Maybe 36.20, 30, 36.20, 36.50. If you get support there, that's a pretty good sign that you're going to come up, test your midline, and then we'll see what happens there. But that's the video. A little bit more concise than normal. But hopefully you enjoyed. Oh, let's do like a more macro thing though. Just right quick. And see. Yeah, I mean there's not really a maybe we'll do the super macro SPX chart, right? Let's do that. Oh my goodness. Oh, this chart's weird. The price is on the left. Okay. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. Moving averages. Remember we made the video about the SPX. Oh my god. Yo, this is sick, man. I wasn't even looking at this today, dude. What happened? You broke down and you reclaimed all of this shit. Yes, you're pulling back. Guys, this is it's pretty good, dude. It's pretty good. Again, this definitely looks like a short-term pullback, little doji candle you have here on the 4-hour chart here. But you pull back here to, on SPX, 3,600 or something. If you hold this, I mean, yeah, midline city, baby. And then, we'll see. Yeah, this definitely looks like you want to sell off real locally. And then, yeah, we have the, oh, sorry. I never even said what I'm even looking at. So this is the 1 week, the 200-week moving average and the 50-month moving average in orange. And I'm sure there's another one. I did another one. I have a lot of these like macro moving averages here. And we'll remove them here in a second. Yeah, I don't have like a good one. And then let's do a trend line. Let's just remove everything from the chart right quick. And see if we can get us a nice macro trend that maybe supports this move as well. And the way that we would do that is we make sure our chart's on log, because you definitely can't do this without your chart being on log. And you just kind of draw here. And okay, this one has some, okay. Zoom out a little bit more. See? Oh, this is like a super macro, like midline kind of thing, where you have like general distributive action versus accumulation action, right? So yeah, this is crazy. I freaking love macro technical analysis so much, man. Like, because this is where you found support. Dude, that is so sick, man. You guys see this? If you stuck around this far, and it's not perfect, but you get the general idea here. You know, you see this, the price struggle to get above, struggle to get below here. Historically, I mean, this is all the way back. We're in 1980s. Got a clean rejection here, clean support here, right? Clean retest before failure here. Pretty good support back here. This is 1970. And then I think we might have had something back here after the Great Depression. I'd have to make the time frame a little bit bigger. We should also be looking at Dow Jones, because Dow Jones, DJI is the ticker, has a little bit better price data for these earlier years. There's a lot more volume associated. Oh, look, a dinosaur. They must have... That's funny. I think that's new. Oh, look. Here you go. You got rejections here. What is this, 1938? Got to go to 3 month on SPX to be able to see like real candles. Here you go. Let's see. Let's go on DJI. You're here. You're here, dude. If you're still here, you're invested. Oh, look, I got some crazy Oh, this is the fucking crash chart that I was working on a while ago. Oh shit, dude. Wait. Wait. Oh. Wait. Did you have a similar move back here on Dow? Oh shit, dude. Hold on, dude. Oh shit. Wait. Okay. So whenever I made this, we were up here failing. Damn, that's actually pretty sick, dude. It's not super I mean, you know. So I made this like we were way up here, whatever. I mean, if you guys have been following the channel, we've been watching the red and the green line for an eternity, it feels like now. Well, what was that fib? Hold on. Okay. And where did you find support here? 1272. We're gonna draw it from the bottom of this here. Okay. Wait. Yeah, look at this. So I'm comparing the '08 crash. I don't know if you're able to keep up. I've been zoned out for a second now. Sorry. Wow, we kind of projected this entire thing. You shouldered out here, and then you came to the 1.618. You really rocketed straight down here. I mean, you could still do that, couldn't you? Yeah? Oh, wait, dude. Freaking '08 fractal, dude. Comes back. Am I properly drawing this fib? Let's try it from back here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to... It's not exactly the same. And also, we're on a different time frame, I believe. Are we? No, 3 day. Okay. 618. So, how do we make this a 618? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it definitely is a similar look. So then, like, if this was to play out again, it would kind of be like this sort of thing where you draw up here, boom, and then you rock it down to the 3.618 down here by like June of next year. I don't know. It's pretty interesting. All right, let's actually do what we came here to do. You're invested now. You're with me. You're with me on this ride. So you're gonna have to. No, just kidding. Let's just turn everything off here. And then we're going to go super macro here on the 1 month. Go back to dinosaur time. And we're going to draw a trend here. And we're going to see if we can match it up. Yeah, I mean, this is a... Let's see. Let's go down to the 4 hour and get our little tap here, right? And then, so we know that is anchored properly. We're going to go up to the 3-day and see if we have some interesting price data locally. Boom, you got a nice jump off here in 1996. Nice jump off here in 2002. Go to the week. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bruh. So now I gotta go all the way back, bruh. Yeah, so whatever. I mean, I'm gonna play with it. Maybe I'll make another video related to this super macro trend that maybe we're finding support on. But man, oh man, it looks like it could get ugly if we don't hold this. When you look at it like this. But yeah, so anyway, that's the video. Remember, what we're looking for is a short-term pullback on ES1. 3630 to 3650, really. Thanks, Simba. And yeah, that's pretty much the video. So hopefully you enjoyed, and until next time, peace. I must ask you a question.